Hi there, this is Parth and welcome to new video. Tata Group has just announced that they are entering into the smartphone chip and the semiconductor manufacturing market. So how they are going to affect the Indian market and how they are going to compete with the main players in the market like Qualcomm and the MediaTek. That is we are going to discuss in this video. So first of all, let's go into detail about how they are going to establish this business in India. And as we all know that from the long time, we are now having the smartphone assembly line in India. So for an example, Apple smartphone now is assembled in India. So manufacturer of Apple, that is a Foxconn, will assemble a smartphone in India for the Indian market. But that is just an assembly. That means the different parts of a smartphone will come to India and then they will join together for the specific model according to that design. But now Tata Group has announced to enter into the chip market. In fact, if we believe that Tata Group's chairman N. Chandrasekhar has just told the media that they are going to have multiple partners in this business from the Taiwan, South Korea, Japan, etc. So it will be interesting to see if they are going to partner with the MediaTek or the Qualcomm, because they are the biggest manufacturer in the chip market. So if they will do it, then it will be a great. In fact, in the reports that is shown that only manufacturer unit in India, that is the name as a Western Corp, they are going to buy this for around 50 billion rupees. So I think they are now fully fledged going to set up the manufacturing units in India. And according to the N. Chandrasekaran, the chairman of the Tata Group, they are going to have a full-fledged manufacturing facilities in India, and they are pretty much interested in the semiconductor market. In fact, they are also looking for the electronics vehicles market. Because they are also part of this chip manufacturing and the semiconductor market, because after all electronic vehicle will be based on this semiconductor chips. So they are looking for also that. But this is the great news for the Indians as a consumer, because we are now going to see the chip manufacturer from the India, and if they are going to provide good chips specifically for the smartphone, which is very important, because as I have told earlier that market for the smartphone in India is pretty huge. So we can have the more affordable and more power efficient and more value for money smartphone, because after all the things depends, it boils down to the smartphone chip, that is SoC, that is going to very important. So if Tata as a manufacturer enters in the smartphone chip manufacturer market, they can also manufacture some of the small parts of the smartphones like batteries, outer body parts, display modules and camera modules. So that way we can be more reliable and more dependent on our strength rather than being dependent on the other countries and other manufacturers to produce the smartphones and other electronic gadgets. So that was all about the chip manufacturing in India by Tata Group. I hope they are going to manufacture it very soon, and just hope that they are going to provide this at affordable rate and in the pretty good quality. Do let me know in the comments what do you think about this new project and new initiative by Tata Group. And if you have liked this video, then do share and subscribe to channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.